Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Todoist. I'm someone who is reviewing and also making tutorials about plenty of productivity tools and project management tools, and I love making these videos. So one of the few things I like in Todoist is simplicity. It's fast, and you can have the free account forever that you don't need to even upgrade to something else. This is something that you can see in ClickUp or other softwares. Also, what I like about Todoist that is like its simplicity. It's not like Notion, because if I would show you Notion is much more complex, right? And you need to work with databases, and it's not that simple as Todoist. So if you're looking for simplicity, Todoist is a really good choice for you. Now, the really good thing I like about Todoist, when you go to right top corner to settings and you go to theme, is that you can have a dark theme. You can say like, okay, but why is it a good thing? I mean, do you know how many apps don't even have the dark theme here? So, and it's really pretty. I mean, this is what I like. Then, like, if I show you how to actually use it. So, on the left side, you're gonna see projects. Then you're gonna see inbox, today, and upcoming things that you can set up as an event calendar. In today, you can actually like add tasks here, and this is like, you can assign it people here because it's just for you as a personal. Then you're gonna see projects here. So when I'm going to add a project, let's go project with the YouTube name, right? And click add. So the first option I can do is just simply add task here. Then what can I do is when I got this section YouTube, I can create a new section, create a second task here. Let's see. I can click on the task. I can add simple subtask. In the subtask, look at this when I'm going to click on it. I can create subtask in a subtext. That's crazy good. Then you have comments and activity. That's a premium feature that you need to like upgrade your version. And when you're gonna click on add labels here, or changing the priority, this is something you can do. Or you can schedule actually your Todoist task. So when I'm going to write here every week, it will automatically update me every single week. So this is something pretty nice. I like it. Now, another thing I like about Todoist, let me show you, is not just the simplicity, but you can actually view it as a Kanban board. So let's name this section start. Then you can have like, let me delete this one. Okay, so this is like, let's say to do, in progress, and finished. And you can actually create these Kanban boards as it would be your I don't know, project management system, right? So we can go like 1 to 3 and just take it and paste it in progress or in finished. So this is something really like, and I like it. It's really simple. And this can be enough for you. But if you can also like invite as a 5 people, but if you need multiple people, I wouldn't just do this. Todoist is too small for project management. It's a wonderful tool for productivity tool, but not project management. Let me tell you that. Okay, and then when you go to right top corner, you're gonna see your productivity, 2 completed tasks. And this is something, yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. So I recommend Todoist if you're alone or like with 2 people, you want to do the grocery list or something. Todoist is a wonderful tool for you. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.